Hi guys, I wanted to go over the day's agenda since I will be out. Just a reminder that I will be on campus, so you might see me pop in later. So please make sure that you are going about our day just like I am in the classroom. Make sure that you are being respectful to our sub and following the directions that are given, and that you are keeping your voice level appropriate and just doing what you know you are supposed to be doing. So on Monday, you're going to start off with science. So as soon as the announcements finish, I have an article for you to read. One of the things that we talk about in fifth grade is the difference between weather and climate. So I want you to read the article and pay close attention to that. And then if you have corrections that need to be made on your science assessment or any other um, assignments from science, you can go ahead and have time to work on that. When you are done, you may work on the Google Classroom assignments or your choice board. So when you go onto Google Classroom, all of these are under week 16. So you have your holidays around the world. You can start working on your your homework. There's an extra piece that I added for this week, along with what I told you about last week. You have your choice board here that you can go to, and there's the winter holiday countdown activities and the writing prompts. So those are some things that you could choose to do when you are done with those corrections and the article. Then for reading today, you're going to do a checkpoint. It's called Links of Time. So you are going to read through here. You're going to read the poem. And then at the end, there are questions that go with this. So make sure you're going back to the poem and finding your evidence and really thinking about the questions and how to best respond to those. Then I want you to go to Google Classroom and you can watch the video recording and review the anchor chart that's attached. So when you click on here, you go here, Monday Reading Poetry Review. There is a recording here that I want you to watch and an anchor chart. Then you can, when you're done with that, you can continue your holidays around the world Google Classroom activity. Then when you go out to recess, make sure you bring out your snack. When you come back, you'll have your daily writing review. Make sure you're working on Monday's editing and revising. And then the remainder of the time, you can work on your writing poem or your poem that you're writing. And just be thinking about all of the figurative language and just all the terms that we've been talking about in reading, and see if you can add some of that to your poem and make it stronger. So some example, some similes or metaphors or personification or some automatopoeia. Think about the things that we've talked about and how you could add that in there. Then in math, we are going to continue practicing classifying 2D shapes. So you can click on the warm-up question, just click here and it'll open. And the first slide is Monday, so you only need to do the Monday part. So you can record that in, I'm just going to put on here, record in your math notebook. Then I'm going to have some task cards printed out for you. And if you could please ask Miss Kingdom just to place these around, or you guys can help place these around the room. And you're going to get a recording sheet. And so 2 people can be at a task sheet. And so no more than 2 at each paper. And you're just going to rotate around and record your answers on the sheet. Then when you're done with that, you can go to the classifying triangles and quadrilaterals quizzes. So you enter the code in there. Then for social studies, I want you to get out your week 8. So please go through your magazines and pull out week 8. and you are going to read the section that's called Looking Back 1565 to 1787. So you'll read just that section. The rest we will do throughout the week, so just that one section. Once you read it, please put it in your social studies folder so that it's not lost, and we will have it for Tuesday through Friday. Then you'll go to lunch. Then we will not be pulling groups today since the teachers are out for the PLC. So I want everybody to be working on their Holidays Around the World project, their Google Classroom activities. You can have some independent reading time, but please make sure that you are using that time wisely. And then you have your specials with Miss Daniels on Monday. So everything is here on the agenda, or so some of the things you had to click on for here. Otherwise, it'll be in class printed out for you, or it is on Google Classroom. So right here, I moved them up to the top. Let me move this one too. So all the things up here at the top under week 16 are what you'll need for Monday. And then I will see you guys. We'll try to for sure get out at dismissal, but if not, and like I said, I'll try to kind of do a surprise pop in and see how everything's going. But if I'm not able to, I will see everybody on Tuesday. And again, make sure you're following that green sheet that went home on Friday. I think we had some extras. They're up by the front of the room. So make sure you're following that because every single day there's something special going on. So pay close attention to that. And I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.